Hello ladies and gentlemen, it's Mike here at Game From Scratch, and today I have a collection of 3 deals for you, all related to game development. Now normally, I do an individual video on each thing. These ones kind of didn't justify their own video, but taken together, what the hell. So what we got here is a 3-in-1 video, a collection of 3 different sales going on right now. First one is on Unity, the second one is on Steam, and the third one is a collection of Humble Bundles. So let us jump in. Now the first one is the most straightforward. We got a Unity Asset Store bundle. This one is all about environments and models. So basically you've got a collection of things that are all 30% off right now. Pretty straightforward sale. If you are looking for stuff on the Unity Asset Store, if you're looking for models or environments particularly, this is the sale. It's very, very straightforward again, because this is all, direct 3D models and content that we've got going on here. We've got 101 items that are on sale, all 30% off. So if you're looking for a particular model or model pack or environment pack, do check out to see if it is currently on sale. Now, by the way, to go along with this particular asset pack sale, there's also a promo they sent out to me. It is for new users only. It is a promotion code that I will display up on screen right now. That is only good. You can use it at checkout as a new user. It will give you 10% off your entire purchase. So if you've already bought stuff on the Unity Asset Store, unfortunately, all you're getting at this point in time is the 30% off deal here. But if you are a first-time buyer using that code, which I will also link down below, along with the links to the store and everything else, you can get 10% off your entire purchase as a new customer. So that is the sale going on right now over at Unity. Not a massive one by any means, but 100 asset packs, 30% off. So there might be something in there that you were looking for. All right, so that is sale numero uno. Now, numero dos, okay, I'm going to stop speaking in poor Spanish now, is the Lunar New Year sale over on Steam. Now, if you're a regular to Steam, you know these things. I think they're quarterly now. We get a winter sale or a Black Friday sale. We get this New Year's sale. There's a summer sale. So it might be 3 of them in a year. I'm not sure. There might be a 4th one in there. Let me know if you can think of a 4th one. But anyways, Steam has these sales periodically throughout the year. This one is probably the least pronounced when it comes to at least to game development stuff, but there is a fair number of game development packages in here. You're mostly interested checking out the software section over here. There is a full-blown game development section. Now, their categorization on Steam is garbage, so you're going to want to go through the entire software section. And also, for some reason, when you drill down here, they also don't have an on-sale category, which is insane, but there is a top-selling category here, and you mostly get what the major sales are by going to top selling, at least as the sale continues to go on. The stuff on sale generally navigates to the top of the top selling categories. And what you're going to see here is the usual suspects on the usual sales. So you got all your various different maker stuff, RPG Maker, Game Maker, Visual Novel Maker, and so on. They're all 60 to 80% off right there. We've got a couple of other things that are interesting. So we've got Marvelous Designer for making clothing for your meshes. It's on sale, still an expensive package, but it's 30% off. Some video editing stuff like Vegas Pro is on sale. We've got Game Maker is its traditional 25% off for its various different platforms. That sale happens all the time. Now, some of the stuff that you would normally see in these Steam sales aren't for sale. Substance Painter is not for sale. ASC Sprite is not for sale. But we've got, again, Face Rig, the various different MaperSync app Game Kit Studio is currently on sale, 40% off. There's a couple other game engines that made the list here. So the S2 game engine is like $4 right now. What's it called? The graphics package, damn it, it's not coming to me. It's on sale right now. Game Maker is 70% off. So you know what? The usual suspects, the things that you are used to seeing for sale, they're for sale mostly for the prices you're expecting. So if you've been looking for something that is hosted up on Steam, now might be a good time to check it out. It's part of the Lunar New Year sale. Again, it's not as good as I've seen in previous sales, like the Black Friday sale. And I got to admit that Steam sales are starting to get a little predictable at this point in time. It's the same thing, same sale, same price, but I figured you guys should at least be aware that it is currently running. And then finally, we have a pair of Humble Bundles. Now, neither of these ones really kind of made the cut for deserving their own videos for 2 different reasons. This first one is, it's a topic that I think is very relevant to game development, but the books in this aren't applied books. They're more theoretical or, top-level topics. They're not hands-on or how-to style of books. There's no programming in here or anything. But if you're interested in artificial intelligence, this bundle might be right for you. Now, the way Humble Bundles work is you buy things in tiers. You buy a higher value tier, you get all the lower value tiers with it as well. You decide how your money is allocated between the publisher, between charity, between Humble, and if you so choose, and thanks if you do, to support Game from Scratch if you use my link down below. And here you see the $1 tier, you're getting 5 different books on artificial intelligence. Again, this is more theoretical type of stuff. At the $8 tier, you get more theoretical books on artificial intelligence. And then if you go into the $15 tier, you get even more theoretical books about artificial intelligence, and you get a book called Robot Sex, which, come on, that's got to be worth it alone. But more or less, this is more stuff about, you know, societal implications of the design or the history of it. And then we've got things like, you know, the Turing test, the famous way of checking to see if a computer is sentient or not. So that is the one bundle going on. Again, the big problem with this one is that it wasn't really, nothing here is hands-on or applicable directly to game development, but the topic, artificial intelligence, I know a number of you are interested in it. So if you're looking for a couple books from more the theoretical side of things, this could be a good bundle for you. And this next bundle, this is more hands-on, but less relevant to game development. This one is all about data sciences and machine learning. Now, some people, you're going to get into this world from the world of game development, but not much. And this one is a collection of courses from Pluralsight. So they've got solid training material for sure. At the $1 tier, you get 3 courses on a variety of, you know, machine learning and data subjects. At the middle tier of $16, you get another, what are we looking at? 7 courses. These are courses. Those are all online video tutorial type courses from Pluralsight. A lot of this is things like PyTorch and AWS or Amazon Web Services, their various different stuff, TensorFlow. So if you're trying to do you know, data mining stuff or that kind of thing, this could be a good collection for you. But again, it's not directly related to game development. And then we jump into the $20 tier, which is kind of a no-brainer because the middle tier is $16, or we go $1. So you either kind of go here, not at all, or jump all the way to the $20 tier. And at this tier, you're getting another, 9 books here, again, on topics like Azure, AWS, TensorFlow, more Python stuff, so more on the R programming language. And yeah, that's it. Pretty straightforward on the whole. So we got a nice collection of things going on. Nothing deserved its own video individually, but taken together, definitely worth pointing out to you guys. So first off, we've got that Steam sale, 30% off, and then again, that code, which is down below. If you've never bought anything off of Unity, we'll give you 10% off your first purchase, the entire purchase, by the way. So if you buy 10 items, you'll get 10% off on all 10 items. And then we get into the Steam sale. Again, it's a Steam sale. You know what it's about. Just let you know that it's going on right now. And then finally, we have a pair of Humble Bundles, including one that has a book about robot sex, and how can you go wrong with that? All right, that's it. That was the video. Again, nothing deserved its own, but I think taken collectively, hopefully at least a couple of you guys found something interesting out there, and I will talk to you all later. Goodbye.